Hey guys, welcome back to Nature's Cadence Farm. Today we're going to be working on our mobile home windows again, but this time we're going to be changing an internal window. They're also called storm windows. And so what I did, and I found it actually we're missing this lower pane. This top pane is rigid, you know, that's still there, but this bottom was there, so we got to change it. This is like probably original to the house, but either way, what I did was I called up our local mobile home manufacturer supplier, part supplier, and what they said was to measure from the outside edge of the window to the other outside edge of the window. So that gives you a dimension, and then from the top outside edge to the bottom outside edge. So that's what I did. I called them up and I went ahead and ordered everything, and they got it in, no problem at all. And so yeah, look in your like your local maybe mobile home manufactured home parts suppliers. Google your city, you know, if you live in who knows where, USA, and type that in, and then mobile home parts, and that will get you to the right place. That's how I found the two distributors that are right around me, really close. So check that out. Anyway, so what we're going to do today, we're going to take this old window out. I'm going to show you how to remove the old one, and then we're going to put the new one in. So let's get started. I've got my Ryobi drill here. This is a 18 volt 1+ drill. I have the Milwaukee stuff too, obviously you guys have seen all that. This is just the one I kind of keep in the house, but either way, I've got a number 2 Phillips in here because that's the bit that holds, that would drive in or out the screws that hold my window in. You need to check your fasteners on your window because they might be a different driver style, but this is a 6-inch, you know, solid with a number 2 Phillips on it. But either way, so what I'm just going to do, I'm going to go around the window here. This has some paint in it, and I might not be able to get some of these out. I might have to dig them out and pull them out with pliers. Like that one came out okay. But we're just putting the drill in reverse. Lefty loosey. Yeah, see, that one doesn't want to come out. There we go. So I'm just going to go around the window here and get the rest of these screws out. Alright, I've got all the screws out that I can get out. I got a couple of them here that are just spinning in the frame there. So I'm going to see if I can kind of pull this gently away from the wall and see if we can get those screws to come out. The ones that were still in there. There we go. Alright guys, got our old window out, and it's still got this little original gasket. We're going to leave that there. But we're not going to need the silicone or put any putty tape or anything on this because it's an inside window. You know, you shouldn't have any rain inside your house. Shouldn't. Anyway, so we have our new window here, and this is white. And I got this these screws here from our mobile home dealer too, and mobile home parts dealer, and they are painted white. And so what we're going to do is put this window in place. So here we go. I'll put it up here. We're going to try to attempt to cover up the old paint lines that were here. So it looks like we can go up a little bit here in the middle and put it right back into that original hole that was there. It looks like everything's lining up just right. So I've got my drill ready, and these are 1/4-inch head nut driver or nuts, and I've got a 1/4-inch nut driver on my drill here. So we're not going to drive that up too much. And I went ahead and took the time and cleaned out this nut driver with some paper towels and tried to get a bunch of the gunk out of there that was in there, and I did. So we're going to try to get this level to where it looks like it's the same as the original one. We're not going crazy on the torque on these. We're just running them up tight. I'm going to go around and go ahead and put all these screws in. Alright guys, well there you go. You can see it's just that easy. Pop the old one out, put the new one in, we're ready to go. These are pretty nice windows. I'll show you some of the features real quick. You know, it goes up and it has a couple of spots that it can stop. You can also remove this window by pulling both pins in and turning it sideways, and then this upper window comes out too. You just have to push it up and into this tray, and then that window will pop out, so you can clean the inside of your outside window also. So to put it back in, you just line those pins back up in the tracks, pull these little catches in and push it back in there, and that's it, just like that. Alright, well guys, thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it, and stay tuned for some more mobile home videos. I'm sure we'll have plenty of them. This is always something to fix on this thing. Alright, take it easy. We'll see you next time.